Good evening, children.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So, students who have shared their pictures are Danya, Sindhu, and Sanjay. But I think only one of you have sent, right? Sindhu, Sanjay.
Ma'am, both sent, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, we were able to complete a little bit of some song.
Okay. So Danya, Sindhu, Sanjay, and Madhumita, she's completed about 6 sums, she said. Now, what about the others?
Ma'am, I have one more sum, ma'am. I'll do it and send it.
No. I'll wait now. Please, children, send the pictures of whatever you worked so far.
Oh, yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, maybe now we'll. Okay, I'll just wait for another 5 minutes, children. Please, whatever you worked, please take pictures of whatever you've completed and share it with me.
Ma'am, I also have sent only 5 questions, ma'am. Now I have completed up to 9 questions. Shall I send it, ma'am?
Yeah, send it. Yes, please. I've not received from the others. So only 4 students, Danya, Sindhu, Sanjay, Madhumita. That's all. Rajat, I've not received anything from you. You said you will send.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking the photos, ma'am. I send it now.
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
Tanishka, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, I came by 6:30 from school, ma'am. I have finished only 5 questions, ma'am. Can I send it after for remaining 5 questions, ma'am?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Rajat.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, so that was some response after I requested you to share. Then I got it from Krishmi, Tanishka, Rajat, Krishmika Shri. Yeah. All right, children. Let's see the answers. The first one is the factors of 4x minus 1 by 5 the whole square minus x plus 1 by 2 the whole square are dash and dash. So that means this expression has two factors because r dash and dash. So that means this expression has two factors. You will have to find the two factors. Yes, tell me, what are the two factors, children? What have you got?
5x plus 3 by 10 into 3x minus 7 by 10, ma'am.
I got the same answer, ma'am.
Advita and Sanjay and Sindhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can see it in Madhumita is working. Sanjay and Sindhu. Okay. Yeah, let's see the answer. So only you both, Madhumita, Sanjay and Sindhu. So did you people say this? 5x plus 3 by 10 and 3x minus 7 by 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. So you need to use the identity a squared minus b squared, whose factors are a plus b and a minus b. So this is in the form, the given expression is in the form a squared minus b squared. And its factors are a plus b and a minus b. These are the two factors. So we need to work this expression using this identity a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b and find the two factors of this expression. So the first part, this one is of the form a squared minus this one is b squared. So clearly this is a. See here, this is a square. This is square. This is b. This one is b. This one is b square. A square minus, you can see a minus here, b square. What I've circled is a. And here what I've circled is b. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. See, this is a plus, this is b into a minus b. Class, the given expression is of the form a square. This is a square minus, this is b, this one is b square. So what I've circled is here is a and this one is b. So a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b into a minus b. So then between these two brackets, we have a plus sign. So open the bracket. This is what you get. And here we have a minus sign between the two brackets. So it's going to be minus x minus 1 by 2. Minus x minus 1 by 2. And then just simplify. 4x plus x is 5x. And on taking LCM, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. LCM, you get 3 by 10 plus 3 by 10. And here 4x minus x is 3x. And minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Upon taking the LCM, you will get minus 7 by 10. So you can see the answer. It's a product of two factors. You can see it here. See 5x plus 3 by 10 into 3x minus 7 by 10. So the two factors of the given expression are this one and this one. So we had to use the identity a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is one factor, a minus b is the other factor. So well done, Madhumita, Sindhu and Sanjay. Yeah, what's the value? Children, take a screenshot. Please take a picture. And after the class, complete work this. If you have not got it right, practice it right away. Only then you can retain. You can, identify your mistake. And when you work the correct answer, retention happens there. You can retain it in your memory. You leave it like that, you will forget. You will only remember the incorrect way of doing it. You will not know the correct way of working it. Taken a screenshot?
Taken, ma'am.
Taken, ma'am.
Okay. What's the value? Very good. What's the value of this expression?
I got 28, ma'am.
I also 28.
28.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
class, please share your answers.
Ma'am, I got 32, ma'am.
Sanjay and Sindhu, 32.
Yes, ma'am.
28, ma'am.
28. Some of us got 28. Any other answer other than 28 and 32? Yes?
Ma'am, I got 18.
You got 18. Danya's got 18. Any other answer? Okay, the correct answer is 28. So I think Prajit and Madhumita, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I too got, ma'am.
Yeah, who's that?
Tanishka, ma'am.
Tanishka. Okay, well done. Okay, so I've worked f of minus 2. You can see it here. I've worked f of minus 2 and I got 12. F of 2, I got 20. F of 0 is 4. Now we need to find the sum. Oh, no, not the sum. So we need to add these two and subtract f of minus 2 plus f of 2 minus f of 0. And that's 28. Yes, children who got 32 and 18. Can you see where you've gone wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Take a picture, children.
Taken.
All right. Yes, what's the value of the expression a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab?
3, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
3.
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3,
Three.
ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3. Very good. Very important question. Good. 3. Yes. So the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators is ABC. The LCM of the denominators is ABC. So this is the given expression. This is the given expression. LCM is ABC. So here we have BC. So you need to multiply the numerator by A. Here we have CA. So B is missing. So multiply the numerator by B. LCM. See, however you have understood. LCM. We have AB here. C is missing. So multiply the numerator by C. So A square into A cubed. It's simply LCM, children, taking the common denominator ABC. B square into B cubed, C square into C cubed. Now, since A plus B plus C is 0, we know that A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed is 3ABC because we are given that A plus B plus C is 0. Because A plus B plus C is 0, A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed is 3ABC. So in the numerator, instead of A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed, you can write 3ABC. Numerator after taking the common denominator, we have the numerator like this. Now this one is equal to 3ABC. Why? Because A plus B plus C is 0, conditional identity. So we have 3ABC by C here. A cube plus B cube plus C cube can be written as 3ABC by ABC. So ABC cancels. And so the value of the given expression is 3. Take a picture.
Taken, ma'am.
Next one. If A plus B plus C is 5, AB plus BC plus CA is 10, what's the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC?
Minus 25.
Minus 25, ma'am.
Minus 25. Minus.
Minus 25, ma'am.
We recently did questions like this.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 25 is the correct answer. Minus 20. I'm not explaining this because I think last class we had taken up 2 questions like this. Yeah, take a picture, children. Minus 25 is the correct answer. How many of you got minus 25?
Me.
Project. Then
I also got the correct answer, ma'am.
Danya.
I also got.
Ma'am, I also
This one is who was that? Lishanta?
Yes, ma'am.
Lishant. Okay, very good.
I also got the correct answer, ma'am.
Kanishka. All right. Rashmika Shri.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what did you get?
ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Okay, why are you not participating these days? Yes, Krishmika Shri.
Ma'am,
Why are you
I'm
not
there.
participating in the class?
I'm there, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Yeah, this also we did recently.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the value?
76.
Yeah, what's the value?
76,
76.
ma'am.
76.
76. Okay, what is the root? Like, how do you find the value with a square plus 1 by a square? What do you find next?
Now we find A plus by A.
A minus 1 by A, ma'am.
A minus 1 by A.
A plus 1 by a or a minus 1 by a?
Ma'am, we should find A minus 1 by A.
A minus 1 by A, ma'am.
And then with this, we find a cube minus 1 by a cube. So
Yes,
what's
ma'am.
the value of a minus 1 by a?
4, ma'am.
4. And the value of this is 76, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you got this, Danya, Prajit, then
Ma'am, I got minus 76, ma'am.
okay. Others, Sindhu, Sanjay, Madhumita, Krishmi, Netra, Arjun. Yes, share your answers.
Ma'am, I worked this in a wrong way and got 4095 by 64.
Jana, Srijana,
Ma'am, I got minus 76, ma'am.
minus 76. Children, you must volunteer and participate in the discussion. Raja.
Ma'am, I got 36, ma'am.
36. Jana got 36. Okay. Okay, as some of you said, the correct answer is 76.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Danya and Prajit. We need to find a minus 1 by a.
Ma'am, I
And then
also get this one.
Lishanta.
Ma'am.
Okay. Children, don't think I'm not explaining. We did sums of these kind in the last class on Saturday. So this is the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube. Take a picture. Yeah, what's the remainder when it's divided by x plus 2?
11 plus 3a.
Yes, all of
Ma'am,
you.
38, ma'am.
38.
Ma'am.
38, then
I got 11 plus 3a.
you got 11 plus 3a, okay?
Ma'am, the answer for this one I got as 66.
66, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got
60, 68, okay. So Jana, not Jana, Prajit, when you you found f of minus 1.
No, ma'am.
Oh, you didn't, is it? Oh, you straight away found f of minus 2, is it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Then what did you do with the information f of x leaves the remainder 19 when divided by x plus 1? You just let it go in the air, is it?
No, yes, ma'am.
You blew it up in the air and you just worked f of
I don't
minus 2.
know. X plus 2, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Let's see the answer. It's 66. Who said 66?
Ma'am, Sindhu
I
and
don't. Sindhu and Sanjay. Yes, Sindhu and Sanjay. So children, why is it given? Why is this information given? It's not simply given. F of x leaves remainder 19 when divided by x plus 1. We need to use this information first. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. We are given that f of x leaves remainder 19 when divided by x plus 1. That means f of minus 1 is equal to 19. F of minus 1, because x is minus 1, is equal to, you should write the remainder here. 19 is the remainder. Why minus 1? In place of x, it is minus 1. F of x, no. In place of x, it is minus 1. X is minus 1. So in place of x, it's minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to, you must write the remainder here. What's the remainder? 19. So this is the condition you'll have to work with. F of minus 1 is equal to 19. You need to write this. It's very important. F of minus 1 is equal to 19. When you work this, you will get the value of a. When you work this, you will get the value of a. You all know how to work f of minus 1. In f of x, wherever there is x, use minus 1. That's what it is still here. For a, you should not write minus 1. Only where there is x, you must use minus 1. And then this is equal to 19. This is equal to 19. If you listen to me carefully, your work is half done. So when you work this, you will get the value of a. Now let's sorry. Now let's construct the polynomial using the value of a. So this is the polynomial. This is the polynomial given to us. But now we found a is 11 by 3. Use 11 by 3. So what happens? 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So we have plus 11 minus 7, which is plus 4. So this is the polynomial. This is the polynomial. Earlier in the polynomial, we did not know the value of a. So now we found the value of a. Now take up the polynomial. In place of a, use the value you found, 11 by 3. See, this is the polynomial given. In place of a, use 11 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. And then we have plus 11 minus 7, which is plus 4. So this is the polynomial. You read the polynomial, x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 4. You can see only the variable x in it. Now find the remainder. Now, then the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 2 is. Here you should find the remainder. The remainder is not given. You should find the remainder. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is minus 2. You should find, you need to find f of minus 2. You need to find f of minus 2. You need to find f of minus 2. Not f of minus 2 is 0. No, no. You should find the remainder. So that means you don't know what f of minus 2 is. F of minus 2 is equal to I don't know. So you should find, you should substitute and find. And it works out to be 66. It works out to be 66. So these things you should know. You should not do my plus into minus minus. You should not do that. Whenever the number is squared or cubed, you should simplify that. Minus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Then you should multiply 3 and 4, 12. So if you did minus into plus minus and then 12 minus 12, you're wrong. You must first simplify the powers and then do the multiplication. So is it only Sindhu and Sanjay who have got the correct answer for this one? Anybody else got 66? No. All right. Good. Well done, Sindhu and Sanjay. Take a screenshot, children. Yeah, what are the two equations here? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got
Yeah.
m by 12 and 9n by 12.
Sorry, what are the values of m and n?
Ma'am, the value of n I got is m by 12, ma'am.
Ah,
And the value of m I got by 9n by 12. Ma'am.
you think your answers look correct?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, this is, a very basic question in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. You cannot go wrong in this.
Sorry, ma'am.
Children, so z minus 1 and z plus 3 are what? Factors of p of z. It's a very simple question. So Pranjit, what? Z minus 1 is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, right?
That's not 1, ma'am.
Yeah, now what do you say about p of 1?
Ma'am, m by 12. It's a factor of p of z.
Yeah, so p of 1 is equal to what is the remainder?
0, 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, this is the first condition.
Ma'am,
Then z plus 3 is equal to 0, z is equal to minus 3. What's the other condition? P of
minus 3 is equal to 0, ma'am.
P of minus 3 is equal to 0. That's all. You have the two conditions.
That's
Now
all.
substitute in them. That's all. You have to work this and get the values of m and n. That's all. Yes, values of m and n. Children, share your answers.
Ma'am, I got m is 0 and n is 12, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got n as 22 and m as minus 10, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me write on the answers. 1 minute. Sanjay and Sindhu. Yes.
Ma'am, I got m as 3 and n as 6, ma'am.
Who's this?
Arjun, ma'am.
Arjun. Oh, this is from Arjun. Okay. Yeah, then.
I got, I'm Sanjay, ma'am. I got n as 22 and m as minus 10, ma'am.
M is 22 and n is minus 10, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then others?
Ma'am, I got m is 0 and n is 12, ma'am.
This is Danya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sanjay, ma'am. I got m as minus 10 and n as 22, ma'am.
Oh, this is n, na?
Yes, ma'am, and N is M, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. Okay, fine. Yes. Quickly, others.
Ma'am, I could finish only till the 6th sum.
Oh. Anybody else wants to share their answer? See, so many of us are not participating, huh? What do I do? Only when you share your answers and you realize, you know, when you participate and your answer is wrong, it drives you to practice better and do well next time. If you're quiet always and not participating, you'll remain what you are. You will not be motivated to take any efforts. Only and Arjun, Sanjay and Danya, others? Okay. What do I see for M and N? M is 3. M is 3 and N is 15. Who's got that? M3, N15. M3 Arjun has got. Then why you didn't get N, Arjun? You got M, but you did not get N. Oh, this I'll tell you, children. This is, we did so many sums like this. And this is one of the basic questions. The simplest question that can be asked from this chapter. Because why I call it very simple is because everything is just given to you. This is a factor. This is the factor. Z minus 1 is a factor. So Z minus 1 is equal to 0. Z is equal to 1. That means P of 1 is 0 because it's a factor. Remainder is 0. P of 1 is 0. Why P of 1? Because here P of Z. Z is 1. P of 1 is 0. And then Z plus 3 is also a factor. So Z plus 3 is equal to 0. Z is equal to minus 3. Then what is P of minus 3? That is also 0. Why? Because P of minus 3, that is since Z plus 3 is a factor, the remainder is 0. Z plus 3 is a factor of P of Z. So the remainder is 0. Now, if you can write these two, just have to work this. What is P of 1? In P of Z, wherever there is Z, use 1. In place of Z, not in place of M and N, only where there is Z. Because what you get, Z minus 1 is equal to 0, Z is equal to 1. Only Z is 1. In place of Z, all Z's must be replaced with 1. And that will give you an equation in M and N. Are you all listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So that will give you an equation in M and N. Then when you work P of minus 3 is 0. That is in P of Z, wherever there is Z, use minus 3 is equal to 0. When you work this, you get another equation in M and N. Now, how do you solve these two equations? Just write them one below the other. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. And this is the second equation. How do you write the equations? In both the equations, have M and N on one side and the number, the constant on the other side. Have M and N on one side and the constant on the other side. See here, M and N on one side and the number on the other side. Mn on one side, the constant on the other side. LHS we have M and N. RHS we have the constant. Now you know that N and N can get cancelled, but it is plus N plus N plus 2N. You cannot cancel it. So change the signs. Change the signs. If you don't change the signs, you're adding the two equations. If you change the signs, you're subtracting the two equations. You can add or subtract. You can do anything. Whatever is needed for that situation. So here you cannot add because plus N is plus 2N. So you have to change the signs. If you change the signs, that means you're subtracting. So this minus 9M will become plus 9M. This plus becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. Do you all understand how to change the signs?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This minus becomes plus. This plus becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. So now it is minus m and plus 9m. Take the new sign. Forget this sign. This minus becomes plus. This plus becomes minus. This becomes plus. Now it is minus m plus 9m. Minus m plus 9m is 8m plus 8m. And here plus n minus n cancels because it's 0. Plus n minus n. 0. And 12 plus 12 is 24. This is how we solve the two equations. You have to change the signs because if you don't change the signs, you will get minus 10m plus 2n is equal to 0. If you don't change the signs, minus m minus 9m is minus 10m. Plus n is plus 2n. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now you will get another equation. You will have both m and n in it. You have to eliminate one of the variables. You have to eliminate. You'll have to get rid of m or n. For that, you have to change the signs because when you change the signs, plus n minus n cancels. So n is gone and you can find the value of m. And then once you get m, substitute the value of m in any one equation, in this one or this one, and find the value of n. Very disappointing. Or maybe some of you have not still come to this question. So maybe if you've tried, if you would have tried, if you had time to try, you would have done it correctly. So I'm not talking about such students, children who tried it and did not get the correct answer. I am like slightly disappointed. All right, children. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Class, use the emoji. Raise your hands. Danya, Sindhu, Sanjay, Tanishka, Devadarshini, Krishmita, Shri, Lishant, Madhumita, Arjun, Shri Krishmi, Shri Jana. All right. Take a picture, children. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll just stop with this because maybe you have not tried the 9th and 10th one. Or shall we see the answers?
Mom, we can see the answers.
You want to see the answers, Jana?
Ma'am, I did this sum, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So what's the answer for the 8th one? Those who tried it?
Y to the power 6 minus 1 by y to the power 6, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got y to the power 8 minus 1 by y to the power 8.
That's right. So Sindhu and Sanjay have gone wrong in multiplying. You have 4 plus 6 probably have done. It's 4 into, sorry, 4 plus 2 probably you did. It's 4 into 2. Maybe you went wrong there. Yes, Danya, you're right. Perfect. So this again is very simple. So y minus 1 by y into y plus 1 by y into y square plus 1 by y square into y to the power 4 plus 1 by y to the power 4. What's the product of these two, class? What's the product of these two?
Y square minus 1 by y square, ma'am.
Very good. Y square minus 1 by y square. Then all this will come as it is because you can multiply only 2 brackets at a time. You cannot multiply all the 4 at the same time. So we first multiply these 2 brackets. It's in the form a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a squared minus b squared. The product of the first 2 brackets. It's of the form a minus b into a plus b. So the product is a squared minus b squared. Now again, we have to find the product of these 2 brackets. Again, it's of the form a minus b into a plus b. but where a is y square and b is 1 by y square. It's again of the form a minus b into a plus b, where a is y square and b is 1 by y square. What's the product?
Y power 4 minus 1 by y power 4 now.
Yeah, correct. Into the last bracket, y to the power 4 plus 1 by y to the power 4. Again, this of the form a minus b into a plus b, but a is y to the power 4 and b is 1 by y to the power 4. Again, it's of the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. Y to the power 8 minus 1 by y to the power 8. You will see why it is 8 in the next slide. You can see all the steps here. So here it is again. You can see many more steps here. So again, this is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a square. A is y to the power 4 square minus this is b square. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Y to the power 8 minus 1 by y to the power 8. Good, Danya.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we first find the product of these two brackets. And that is y square minus 1 by y square. Then we write these two as it is. See your children. Repeating. We first find the product of these two brackets. The product is y square minus 1 by y square. Write these two brackets as it is given. Now find the product of these two. A is y square and b is 1 by y square. So the answer is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is the result. That's what you see here into this bracket as it is. Now, when you simplify this, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So y to the power 4 minus 1 by y to the power 4 into this. Again, it's of the form a minus b into a plus b, a squared minus b squared. The product is a squared minus b squared. But this time a is y to the power 4 and b is 1 by y to the power 4. So a squared, this one squared, minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. Take a picture.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. Very important question, children. Please go through. When this expression is factorized, we get, what is the identity we use here?
A minus b the whole cube, ma'am.
No. I think Prajit has worked it correctly. When I was just seeing the pictures, I just found that this answer, you've done it correctly. Prajit, are you there?
Ma'am, it's a cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Yeah, it's a cube plus b cube plus c cube. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Class. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? C.
Ma'am, a plus b plus c the whole cube, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, it is a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab
Is this
minus
Arjun? Is this
Yes,
Arjun?
ma'am.
No,
Yes,
Arjun.
ma'am.
That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube?
Ma'am, 3abc, ma'am.
If
3abc, ma'am.
A plus B plus C is equal to 0, ma'am.
Correct. If A plus B plus C is 0. If A plus B plus C is 0. So see the answer. You must first work. I think Prajit is not there in the meeting. He had worked this correctly. So children, this is A. This is A. This is A cubed. This is B cubed. This is C cubed. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So this is A. This is A. Please watch. This is A. This one. This is B. B cubed. So this is B. This is C cubed. So this is C. Take away the cubes. It's of the form A cubed. Take away the cubes. So that is only A, B, C. What you see here, A, B, and C. Now you should work A plus B plus C. You must find A plus B plus C. So when you find A plus B plus C, X minus X, all this gets cancelled. So 0. So we have shown that A plus B plus C is 0. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. So the answer for this expression is 3ABC. 3 into A, which is X minus 2Y, into B, 2Y minus 3Z, into C, 3Z minus X. It's of the form A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed. The result is 3ABC. But before you use this result, you must show that A plus B plus C is 0. So bring out the values of A, B, C. Find A plus B plus C. See, this is A plus, this is B plus, this is C. They all get cancelled and we get 0. So we've shown that A plus B plus C is 0. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. But what is 3ABC in this expression? 3, this is A, this is B, this is C. Take a screenshot, children. Again, important.
Taken,
Any
ma'am.
doubts? Clear, children?
Clear, ma'am.
Right. This one, since it's time, children, I'll just show you the answer. You complete it in your notebook and we'll discuss this in the next class. Just take down the answer. I'm sorry, take a picture, complete the answer in your notebook. We'll discuss the answer in the next class. Actually, you can understand because it's just splitting the middle term. It's just splitting the middle term. I can tell you in short. So since we have x squared plus 7 here, x squared plus 7 here, 2x minus 1 here, 2x minus 1 here. So what we do, we call this one, we call x squared plus 7 as A and this one as B. And we rewrite the given expression. So we write it as 12 A squared because this one we are calling it A, minus 8 AB because we are calling this A and this one B, minus 15B squared, minus 15B squared. This is simple. So now we have used A and B for those two expressions. And now we have a quadratic equation A and B. Split the middle term. Split the middle term. Split the middle term. Find the sum and the product. The sum is minus 8. The product is 12 into minus 15, which is minus 180. So the two numbers are minus 18 and plus 10. The product is minus 180 and the sum is minus 8. So split the middle term. Minus 18AB, minus 18AB, plus 10AB. That's all. Split the middle term and find the factors in terms of A and B. Now, once you factorize, once you come to the last step of factorization, we are done here. This is the last step. 2A minus 3B, 6A plus 5B. This is the last step. Now put it back. Put what back? Replace A with x squared plus 7 and B with 2x minus 1. So where there is A, put it back. X squared plus 7. B is 2x minus 1. A, x squared plus 7. B, 2x minus 1. Put it back. And then that multiplication and all that. And yeah, these are the two factors. We'll do it again in the next class, children. Please take a picture. Took a lot of your time
Taken.
today. Yeah.
Take,
All right,
ma'am.
children. Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.